Create a story with a moral about David and Goliath.
In ancient Israel, a giant Philistine warrior named Goliath terrorized the land. He was enormous, clad in bronze armor, challenging Israel's army daily. No one dared to fight him. Fear gripped the soldiers, even King Saul. Then, a young shepherd boy named David arrived, bringing food to his brothers. He heard Goliath's taunts and felt a burning courage. "I will fight him," David declared, though small and unarmed, save for his sling. King Saul tried to give David armor, but it was too heavy. David chose 5 smooth stones from a stream. He faced Goliath. Goliath scoffed. "Am I a dog that you come to me with sticks?" David replied, "You come with sword and spear, but I come in the Lord's name."
That was amazing, right? And here's the best part. I didn't do any kind of editing or anything. I just gave it a prompt, set a few parameters, and it generated the entire video on its own. Visuals, voiceovers, background music, everything. Amazing, isn't it? It's really crazy what AI can do these days. It has become extremely easy to create content using AI nowadays. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a tool through which you can simply give it a plot and it will create videos for you that are up to 30 minutes long. And here's the best part. It has Google's latest and most powerful Gemini 3 model built in, which means the videos are going to be on a whole different level, as you just saw. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. All right, the name of the tool is MagicLight. I've been using this tool for a while, and it is just outstanding, guys. It makes content creation incredibly easy. Now to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see some generations made by other users. And as you can see, they look outstanding too. You can go through them to get some inspiration if you want. Now here you can see there are various options to generate your videos. You can use the story video option where you can give it a prompt or write your script and it will create the scenes for you. Next, you have the kids story option where you can simply give it a prompt and it will generate the entire video for you. This is the method I used to create the video I showed you earlier. Then, you can also create kids explainer videos, which are extremely popular. First, let's try the kids story option. So I'll select this. And now this is the prompt section where you need to write your prompt for the story. You can literally pick any topic you like, or you can choose from these templates if you're short on ideas. Let's choose this one. After that, you need to choose the video style. As you can see, there are various styles available. I'll go with the Pixar style because it looks amazing. Next, let's choose the aspect ratio. I'll keep it at 16:9. Then if you click on the duration section, you can select how long you want the video to be. As you can see, it supports videos up to 30 minutes, and if you want something even longer, you can select it from the custom section, which supports videos up to 50 minutes long. That's just crazy. I'll choose 1 minute for now. After that, you can also change the video language if you want. I'll keep it in English. Now here comes the interesting part. You can choose which model will create your story. This part is really important because without a good story, your video won't be worth watching. And as you can see, it has the latest and most powerful Gemini 3 model available. So we'll be using that one because it produces more natural, human-like results, not robotic like other models. Next, you can also choose the video model. They have all the options available. I'll go with Dance Pro because that's my favorite right now. Then you can select a voice character. As you can see, there are plenty of options. Since this is a kid's story, I'll choose a kid's voice. Let's go with this one. Next, you can choose background music if you want. I'll keep it on default. And finally, just click on create video and wait for the magic to happen. It will take care of everything from creating the script to generating the images, videos, voiceovers, background music, everything. You don't need to worry about anything. Now, this might take a little bit of time depending on your settings, and here is what it generated.
A great lion was sleeping in the forest. A tiny mouse, not seeing where she was going, ran across the lion's nose. The lion woke up with a loud roar. He placed his huge paw over the mouse. "Forgive me," cried the mouse. "If you let me go, I will repay you one day." The lion laughed at the thought that a tiny mouse could ever help him, but he was amused and let her go. A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He roared in anger, but he couldn't get free. The little mouse heard him, ran to the spot, and began to chew through the ropes. Soon, the lion was free.
Wow, that was simply awesome, right? From just one prompt and a few settings to this, wow. Now just imagine the kind of content you'll be able to create with this. You are only limited by your imagination. You can create videos on the different topics and in different styles. Let's try one more type. This time, let's go with this explainer style video. Now here also, you need to set up your parameters. For the prompt, I'll paste this here. Next, I will change all the settings based on my preference. This step is very, very important to make sure you're choosing all the options correctly. Otherwise, your output won't be as expected. Once you're done with everything, just hit generate and wait for it to create the results. And here is the output.
Once upon a time, there was a tiny seed. It was smaller than your fingernail. The seed fell onto the soft earth. Raindrops came pitter-patter, soaking the ground. The sun shone warmly, giving the seed a hug. Slowly, the seed began to sprout. A tiny root pushed down, and a little stem reached up. Day by day, it grew taller and stronger. Leaves unfurled, reaching for the sunlight. Soon it wasn't a seed anymore. It was a small tree, growing bigger each year. The little tree gave shade and home to birds.
Now that was outstanding. I still can't believe it was able to create that from a single prompt. You see, it divided the scenes perfectly, showcasing the journey of a small seed transforming into a tree with a beautiful story. These kinds of videos become very popular among kids because they are entertaining and educational at the same time. And now you can create them easily too. Now, this feature is very powerful and doesn't require any additional editing. But if you want more control, you can also edit everything scene by scene. Let me show you how. Now first, you need to click on this edit button, which will take you to this interface. Here, you can see all the individual scenes it has created. As you can see, it has 12 scenes in total. Now, if you're not satisfied with any scene, here's how you can edit them. First, select the scene. Let's choose this one. Now, this is the prompt section where you can see the prompt used for generating the image. If you want, you can change this prompt or modify it to get a different result. And if you want even more control, you can use this built-in Google Nano Banana model to edit your scenes however you like. Let's do some editing. For this remove section, you can remove specific items from the image. Let's try this. I'll write this, hit generate, and here is the output. As you can see, it has removed the sun rays just like that. I mean, it's Google Nano Banana, right? So the results are bound to be awesome. Next, using this option, you can also create different viewpoints of the same shot. There are pre-built options here, so you don't even need to write a prompt. You can just select one. Let's go with this one and hit generate. And as you can see, it has created a close-up shot, but the most important thing is that everything else remains the same, which is just outstanding. You can also give it any custom prompt to edit your scene. So let's give it a prompt here and hit generate, and here is the output. And wow, just like that, the weather has changed and it looks outstanding while everything else remains constant. This is just too good. Nano Banana really feels like a cheat code. Now, to turn this image into a video, you need to click on the animate button. Then you can choose a video model. As you can see, it literally has all of them. I'll go with Sea Dance. Next, for the prompt, you can choose automatic or custom. I'll go with custom, then give it a simple prompt like this. Click confirm, and it will start generating the video. And here's the output. This is awesome, right? It looks really nice. Now, to export the video, click on next. Then you can change the export settings as per your requirements. I'll adjust them based on my preference, then click generate, choose the aspect ratio and resolution, hit OK, and you're done. It's that easy. So there you have it, folks, a video generator that can create videos up to 50 minutes long from just a simple prompt. Once you sign up, they will give you some free credits to try it out. But if you want more generations, you can purchase their subscription. Go try it now. I'll put the link in the description. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.